Welcome to the 2026 First Robotics Competition game, Rebuilt, presented by Haas.
Got that lightning inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising, oh, just you watch. I'm stepping into fate, there is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me, this is how legends are made. Up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight. I've come too far to quit. Step back, I'm going in. I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made.
Team 5119, Team Steam, is from Lawrence College Career Center in Lawrence, Kansas. Founded in 2014, this is their 13th season competing in First.
Like iron from the fire, getting stronger. This is how legends are made. Above it all, untouchable, a new animal. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
This team puts the A in STEM. Congratulations, Team 5119.
Oh, just you watch. This is how legends are made.